Hi guys, I'm your own Param Sundari Kriti Sanin and I'm so excited to answer some of the fan questions from you. This is Ask Me Anything with JioSaavn. Well, I think Pankaj sir has become a bit of a lucky charm for me. This is our third film together, from Bareli Ki Barfi to Lukka Chuppi to now Mimi, and also he's there in Bachchan Pandey, which is my next film with Mr. Akshay Kumar, and it's been an amazing journey. I feel that Bareli Ki Barfi में बिट्टी और उनके फादर के बीच में जो रिलेशनशिप था वो बहुत स्पेशल था, बहुत लिबरल था, और the audiences really gave a lot of love to both of us. And in this film, what is amazing is that मिमी और भानु के बीच में जो रिलेशनशिप है, आप उसे कोई टैग नहीं दे सकते हैं. आप नहीं बोल सकते कि वो दोस्त हैं, आप नहीं बोल सकते कि उनमें कोई रोमांटिक एंगल है, आप नहीं बोल सकते कि वो बहन भाई हैं, आप कुछ नहीं बोल सकते. यू कांट रियली नेम द रिलेशनशिप, एंड दैट इज़ द ब्यूटी अबाउट इट. Pankaj sir is a phenomenal actor, and he's someone who is so senior but still so receptive of ideas. And मुझे कभी भी ये नहीं लगा कि मैं उनके सामने कोई सजेशन नहीं दे सकती या कुछ बोल नहीं सकती. And he gives you so much to actually react to. He's someone who thrives and plays on improvs, and his spontaneous reactions are really hilarious. And I think Pankaj sir के साथ सिर्फ एक प्रॉब्लम होती है कि जब आपको रोना है सीन में, तब भी उनका चेहरा और उनके डायलॉग्स और उनके रिएक्शन देख के बहुत हंसी आती है, जिसको कंट्रोल करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. Yes, it was. I actually had the option of getting a foam belly, जो बहुत ही हल्की होती है, but I wanted to feel the weight, and I asked them to make it around 5-6 kilos, which is what a normal belly would feel like. ताकि I think उसमें मेरी walk, मेरा बॉडी पॉस्चर, मेरी बॉडी लैंग्वेज, वो सब जो है, कैसे मैं बैठ रही हूँ, कैसे मैं खड़ी हो रही हूँ, वो सब चेंज हो जाएगा, जो हुआ. एंड इट वॉज वेरी एग्जॉस्टिंग, एंड देयर वर एक्चुअली फनीली मोमेंट्स व्हेन इन बिटवीन द शॉट्स मुझे कोई क्रू से या डायरेक्शन डिपार्टमेंट से बोलता था, अरे आप बैठ जाओ, एज इफ आई वॉज एक्चुअली प्रेगनेंट, बट आई वॉज एक्चुअली गेटिंग वेरी टायर्ड विद इट, बट इट वॉज ऑल वर्थ इट बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट आई वांटेड टू फील. स्किन केयर रूटीन, आई थिंक 2-3 चीज़ें हैं जो मैं ख्याल रखती हूँ. आई मेक श्योर दैट आई रिमूव माई मेकअप प्रॉपरली with sometimes an oil cleanser and a normal face wash, or sometimes just a face wash depending upon how much makeup I have. And then I do moisturize. That is very important. And one thing that I don't leave my house with in the day, especially in the day mainly, is sunscreen. I think in the long run, sun हमारी skin पे कितना बुरा असर करता है ये हमें पता नहीं चलता है. So sunscreen is a must. My favorite song of Mimi, actually, I have to say Param Sundari. I think it's the most catchiest number. It is also, I think, my biggest track in terms of the scale. And मुझे याद है वो set पे पता नहीं 100-200 dancers थे, and Ganesh Master has shot it so amazingly, and Rahman sir has given such a catchy music. I think the hook line is very catchy, and it stays with you. And I love that track. And second favorite, I would say, is Rehai. I think it is beautiful. Rahman sir has sung it himself, and it's very apt for the situation. Not this time actually, but when the first lockdown happened, yes, I started cooking and baking, something that I thought I would never do because I used to hate cooking. But I became pretty professional. Like, I really started baking, and I was almost obsessed with it. I think it is the love of the fans that kind of keeps you going. That is something that you crave for. That is something that motivates you, makes you want to work harder, makes you want to do more than what you're doing. And I am so blessed to have such amazing fans who have been with me, in my really good times and my not so good times also. And sometimes in your low moments, when you read like a sweet message from a fan, it just puts a smile on your face. I'm really dying to travel. I would love to go on a holiday. I think it's been a very long time, and घर पे ही रहे हैं. मैं काफ़ी काम के सिलसिले में अरुणाचल गई थी, जैसलमेर गई थी, but इंडिया से बाहर बहुत टाइम हो गया गए. So I would love to actually go on a nice holiday in Maldives maybe. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching and for your amazing questions. I hope मैंने बहुत अच्छे से आंसर किया और आप सबको मज़ा भी आया, बोर नहीं हुए. So you can check out all the songs from my movie Mimi on JioSaavn.